Experiencing internet problems on your SafeLink phone? First, check your signal strength. On most phones, this is displayed as bars. Aim for at least 3. If the signal is weak, below -100 dBmers in settings, move to an area with better reception. Next, rule out a widespread outage. Use apps like Down Detector or check TrackPhone's support channels for reported issues in your area. If an outage is confirmed, the problem isn't your device, and you'll need to wait for the network to be restored. SafeLink predominantly uses Verizon's infrastructure, so congestion or maintenance on Verizon's network can affect your service. As of October 2025, most widespread outages reported in September have been resolved, but sporadic signal drops can still occur, especially in rural areas. If signal strength is good and there's no reported outage, your APN settings may be the culprit. The APN is the gateway that allows your phone to connect to the internet. To refresh your APN, go to your phone's settings, then mobile networks or cellular data. Look for access point names or APN. For Android, the default SafeLink APN is typically reseller, and for iOS, it's TrackPhone. Settings include APN reseller and MMSC mms.trackphone.com. Verify that these settings are correct. If not, manually edit them or reset your APN settings to default. This simple fix resolves 70 to 80% of connectivity issues, according to user feedback. Regularly checking your APN can prevent many connectivity issues. If problems persist after these steps, contact SafeLink support at 1-88-442-5102.